इस सीजन का 30वां मुकाबला दिल्ली और राजस्थान की टक्कर दुबई में, और इस मैच में अपनी फैंटेसी टीम में आपको किसे चुनना चाहिए बताएंगे अजीत आगरकर ऑन माई 11 सर्कल फैंटेसी पिक ऑन ESPN क्रिकेट। भाई सबसे पहले तो एक प्रो टिप नोट कर लो, फायदे में रहोगे। एक्सपेक्ट दिल्ली टू हैव अ बेटर डे, पिक मोस्ट प्लेयर्स फ्रॉम देयर टीम, पिक ओनली ऑलराउंडर्स एंड कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मर्स फ्रॉम राजस्थान। अजीत, जब प्रो टिप इतना सरल आसान होता है तो इट्स इजियर टू फॉलो दैट, इजंट इट?
Yeah, correct. I mean, if you look at the two teams, you'd have to say that Delhi have got more players in form. Uh, so you'd naturally go for more players from Delhi, but they've had a loss against Mumbai Indians, and Rajasthan have sort of snatched victory from where it at one point looked like they were certainly going to lose. So it'll be an interesting challenge for Delhi Capitals because they want to get back to winning ways.
I think the pro tip is a function of where these two teams are on the points table. लेकिन एक quick update on player availability. ईशांत शर्मा इस टूर्नामेंट से बाहर हो चुके हैं, abdominal muscle injury हुई है उनको, और ऋषभ पंत तकरीबन एक हफ्ता बाहर रहेंगे because of a hamstring injury. तो इसको नोट कर लो और याद रखो इस गेम के रूल्स। Please note that every user on my 11 circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and users have to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, bowlers, all-rounders, and wicket keepers. With a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed, users can also pick 4 substitutes. We have picked Shreyas Iyer as our captain. The Delhi skipper has been leading from the front this tournament. He scored the most runs for the team, although he's got only one big score so far, but he's got off to starts in almost every game, and another big score is just around the corner. Marcus Stoinis will be our vice captain. Now, he's been a revelation for his side this season. He's been providing the impetus with the bat towards the end and has also chipped in with the ball, and he can win you lots of points. So, Shreyas Iyer, the captain, Marcus Stoinis, the vice captain, among our other top picks. We've got Jofra Archer, who's been bowling with great pace and accuracy consistently. He's picked up 9 wickets in the tournament so far. Among all pacers who've picked up 5 or more wickets, he has the best economy of under 7. Josh Butler is the other pick on our top picks. He's had a couple of low scores of late, but you can never write off a player of his caliber, especially in his favorite format. He's scored 146 runs so far in the tournament at a strike rate of 146, and he can also fetch you some points with his catches and stumpings. Shikhar Dhawan is our last top pick. After an underwhelming start, this man got going in the game against Mumbai, and an informed Dhawan should feature in your team. So Shreyas Iyer, Marcus Stoinis, the captain, vice captain, and Jofra Archer, Josh Butler, and Shikhar Dhawan make our 5 players in the top picks. Ajit, are you comfortable with Dhawan in the top picks? Has he done enough to impress you enough?
Yeah, I mean he's obviously shown form. He had a couple of starts before this, but against Mumbai Indians and against a really good attack, he's got runs. So yeah, I don't. Especially when you bat at the top of the order, you've got the best chance to have an impact on the game. So good picks. I quite like Shreyas and Stoinis, both very explosive picks. So yeah, I like the top 5.
Right, we've got a couple of differential picks as well. Akshar Patel is there. He's been bowling with great control for Delhi. His tight overs have really forced the batsmen to take risks and get out. Among all bowlers who've bowled 10 or more overs this season, he has the third best economy of 5.05. That's a steal. And he's yet to concede a 6 in the tournament. Rahul Tewatia cannot be left out with what he's done so far in the tournament. He's now played a huge part in 2 wins for his side. He's been bowling really smartly, and his batting down the order has been a revelation as well. So 189 runs at a solid strike rate and 5 wickets at an economy of under 8 is enough reason for you to have him in your side. So Akshar Patel, Rahul Tewatia, the two differential players. Now let's take a look at our recommended 11. We're going in with 3 all-rounders in Ben Stokes, Rahul Tewatia, Marcus Stoinis, Josh Butler, the only wicket keeper. We're going with 3 batsmen in Shreyas Iyer, the captain, Prithvi Shaw, and Shikhar Dhawan, all 3 from Delhi. And we've got 4 bowlers: Jofra Archer, the only player from Rajasthan, and Akshar Patel, Kagiso Rabada, and Alrik Nortje. Among the substitutes, we've got Steve Smith, Karthik Tyagi, Ravichandran Ashwin, and Ajinkya Rahane. Ajit, 3 all-rounders in the side, no place for Steve Smith, and no Ashwin either. Your thoughts?
Yeah, Ashwin's the only one who you'd think that perhaps can make that 11. Otherwise, just looks a perfect 11 at this point, because you've got form players, you've got guys who can do both bat and bowl. and that makes a huge difference. But Ashwin's probably the only one, the way he's bowling at the moment, you might want to consider. And at different stages of the innings that he bowls, sometimes starts with the new ball, and he's a wicket taker. So he's probably the only guy that could disrupt that 11. Otherwise, looks the perfect 11 for me.
Right, and you guys got to have your perfect 11 as well, because if you do, you could feature on this show. It's that time of the week when we announce the My 11 Circle weekly Crorepati winner. Our winner for this week is Amrit Sagar from Bengaluru, who scored 353.75 points on the My 11 Circle app by building his team for that game between Mumbai and Delhi. And let's take a look at who was in that side. Surya Kumar Yadav, Shikhar Dhawan, Rabada, Dikok, Krunal Pandya, Stoinis, Trent Bolt, Ishan Kishan, Shreyas, Pollard. He got them right, didn't he, Ajit? What a team.
Yeah, brilliant. I mean, to know who's going to perform on the day, it's never an easy thing to predict, but that team looks really good, and good on him. Congratulations to him for picking the right team.
But it's always a tough decision. Most people are in a dilemma of who to pick, who not to pick, but there's someone who has a penchant for all things high risk. Shresh Shah, who's part of the ESPN Cricket Info team, has a high risk 11 for us. Shresh?
So I've made 3 changes to the 11 which you have suggested. Number 1 is I've gotten Sanju Samson for Prithvi Shaw. Samson's been out of form, but I'm expecting him to come good. And therefore, I've also given him the captain's armband. It's high risk. And that's why I've gone with him. Ajinkya Rahane in for Akshar Patel. Patel's not really been among the wickets, although he has a beautiful economy. But I think Rahane is going to try to cement his place in the side. And I've got in Kartik Tyagi for Anrik Nokia, just because Tyagi is sort of a young bowler and batsmen might try to take him on and give him some wickets. The vice captain I've gone for is Jofra Archer, just because I'm backing Rajasthan to win this game. So that's my high risk 11.
So there you are then. You saw our recommended 11. You heard from Ajit. He pretty much likes our lineup, and you saw Shresh Shah's high risk 11 as well. So consider all of that and go get your teams ready and win lots and lots of prizes. Thanks, Ajit, for joining us on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket.